This is the personal alarm system and security. It features a 130 decibel alarm when activated, and that will help to draw attention during emergencies. It also has got a LED light that helps to illuminate surroundings. So let's take a look at this portable device. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a keychain, and over here when you press, you can see that there's a LED light. And to activate the alarm, you need to pull on this pin, and be warned, it is very, very loud. Let's do that. To stop the alarm, simply push back the pin into the hole. So this is the personal alarm system that we're going to share today, and we hope that everyone will get one of this and keep it handy for emergency use.